Sexy bolt that. I didn't expect them to come so quick. Moment of truth. Hopefully the sawdust has done its job. Sawdust stops it from sticking, you see. And if you wanted to, you could just sand that back. Not that it matters when it's on the inside of a door. Yeah, it's come out nice and solid. Yeah, I'm happy with that. There's some marks on it from where like it's all gone saggy, if you know what I mean. This isn't actually attached to the inside, but using that slit, I'll try and get some sort of glue adhesive underneath all of that and stick it down so it's actually back in the perfect shape. Looking better than it was. Probably a bit early to be buying nuts and bolts and washers, but couldn't help myself when I seen them on eBay. One of them for about 160 quid delivered, I think it was. I mean, some of the quality of these are just top notch. All zinc coated washers, zinc coated nuts, powder coated bolts on the longer bolts for the rear wishbone inner bolts. It's going to look the bee's knees underneath that, isn't it? All the high tensile strength. As far as the bolt goes, that is a sexy bolt, that. No scratches or nothing, very nicely packaged as well when they were sent out, I've got to say. So you can see what comes with the pack on there. It's quite a list. Apparently it does cover everything on the underside, so it'd be good to see if that's the case. I'm sure Rog will point out there's something missing on the day when we come to reassemble in 2052. Sandwich bags, numbered 1 to 18 because there's 18 parts, and then they'll all sit in that bag, boxed, sat in the garage, waiting for the day we come to reassemble. Oh boy, all the air. Don't get any more in there. We have spotlights. Again, right at the top of the list of what we require in the state that the car's in. At the same time, I just couldn't resist having a look and seeing how we're going to do this. They're missing the backing plates. So there's no backing plates to actually bolt into the car properly, so we'll probably have to make some of them up. Unless anyone's got a pair, in which case send them to me. Yeah, it's but these lights, I mean, they're horrendous, and with the black monobray fucking finish around the outside, look terrible, and the ring sticker in the middle, horrible lights. So I managed to find a pair, obviously not originals. I mean, Jesus Christ, they're fetching some money in there. But this old tatty thing, it looks worse than it is, because inside the brand spanking new, never been used Hella Comet 500s with the covers and all the fitting kits with them, all brand new, which is all nice to get your hands on. I don't know when they stop making these, but two-handed job to open these up. Time to invest in a head camera, I think. So yeah, these obviously with the white car as well, they just go so much nicer, so much cleaner. So I'm going to have to, as you can see, they've got the bolt through hole there, which they need to go onto the RS brackets. So before we get even started with these, obviously I'm going to have to strip these back to bare metal, get rid of all the rust off them, which I'll be lucky if there's any actual metal left by the end of it. Get the bolts out of there, get them all cleaned up all nice. Take the wiring loom off here. See, that's got the Ford logo on it, so I'm hoping that's the right one to connect to the car. Grommets there, obviously getting new grommets for the back of them, and then wire them into these. So then these will look something like the real thing. But I also thought if we strip the Hella sticker off, stick some of these Ford ones on, then they will definitely look the part. So all in, who needs to pay £300 for some original spotlights when you can go to all this hassle and trouble, and it probably still costs about 290. Like I said, they are brand new, though. Still got the H3 yellow lamp, light bulbs, the shoe and the bulbs in there, all the fitting kit that we don't need. So yeah, with the Ford stickers, I think that'll make for a nice finish. It's as good as we need it. Anyway, it's not exactly like we're going for concourse finish here, is it? So yeah, it's happy days. I'm going to have to get on with the passenger side door card, because before that one cracks like the driver's one did, I thought I would do some preventative maintenance. Just starting to go on the passenger one, not bad at all. It's definitely just starting to sag. You can feel it more on the inside of the car than this side, but I think I'll just bolster that up with some fiberglass while we've got all the kit here and all the stuff out ready to do it. May as well. If I need a cheap brush, it'd be alright.